Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a ring reveal from Sterling Candle. This is their Vanilla Earl Grey candle, and I love showing the jars before I start burning them. Super cute, and it sounds like it's going to have a unique smell just from taking a whiff from inside. It is double wicked, and I'm going to start burning this. Probably will take a couple days, but I will be back to show you what ring I get. I can see the package, so I'm going to try to take it out. The last one didn't seem to be glued down, so it hopefully will be easy. I've been burning this for a few days now. There we go. And this one smelled good. It was definitely a light vanilla smell, wasn't very strong, but it definitely smells as described, and it was really good. The fragrance notes are vanilla bean, black tea leaves, bergamot oil, and lavender. So a pretty interesting combination. But it smells very nice. And then I have one more candle to reveal, and that one is a Honeycrisp apple one. So far, very impressed. I like the candles, love the jars, the jewelry. From what I've seen is all pretty. So let's take a look what I got. Ooh, it's a necklace. There's my code, which I will enter here shortly to see how much that appraises for. I always struggle with these bags. There we go. And I appreciate how they wrapped it, because some companies, when they just throw them inside the smaller baggie, they do get tangled. So I like that this part is in there. There we go. That's cute. Very pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and look up that code, and I'll be back to tell you more about it. So one of the things I love is when you put in the appraisal code, it shows you the piece of jewelry and the name of it and the appraisal code, which this one appraised for $210. And then down here, it gives you information about it. So you get the weight, the metal, gemstone, all that. Very cool. Very thorough. And the necklace is adjustable. And that's stamped 925, and it has this cute little dangly. And here again is what it looks like. Very pretty. Very interested to see what's in the last candle. I think that one might be a ring, but I haven't read about it. Maybe it's a necklace as well, but I will find out. If you guys are interested, make sure you check out their websites below in my description box, and stay tuned, subscribe, and see what I get in my last candle. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.